Hey salam, I hope you guys doing well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making delicious lamb curry. I'm gonna serve this lamb curry with rice, curry chips, also some of the naan bread and salad. Trust me, this is one of the best lamb curry that you guys gonna try. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. First of all, we're gonna start with our spices. Here with the coriander seeds. Using some of the cumin seeds as well, a good touch of that. Going in with the fennel seeds, they were similar to cumin seeds but has a different color. Black peppercorns, around 1 inch cassia bark, few bay leaves with the green cardamoms. Now the black cardamom is a lot stronger than the green cardamom, so I'm just gonna use one small piece of it. Some of this mace, which is the outskirts of nutmeg, and finally some of these cloves. Now you wanna toast all these spices and then we're gonna blend it. Toasting the spices just makes it easier to blend them, and it makes the spices more intense in flavor. By using all these different spices, you will add a lot of flavor to your dish. Now in that we're going to throw in the red chili. You can use more or less depending on your liking. And you also need to take into account the green chilies as well, because they will be a bit hot as well. Here with the turmeric, touch of this garam masala, and some of this salt. We can adjust the salt later as well. A really good mixture that once mixed, just set aside for later use. Now let's prep the main ingredients for our lamb curry. Here I'm using these beautiful red onions. 3 fingers on the onions, and this middle knuckle is going to be your guide. Here we go. Now whenever you're making a curry, try to use red onions, they carry more flavor. Beautiful Spanish wine tomatoes, they got a lot of flavor to our lamb. It would be best if you can remove the skin from the tomatoes, but you know what, I'm feeling lazy today. Some of these green bullet chilies, again you can add more or less depending on your liking. It's gonna add a bit more flavor, a bit more heat to it. Just roughly chop them. Here with the ginger, garlic cloves. You wanna crush these and make a paste of it. Now for the lamb, I'm using a lamb shoulder along with the bones. If you're not using bones, you're definitely missing out on the flavor. And finally, you want to cut the lamb into medium-sized pieces, or let's get cooking. Or grab yourself a large pan with your lamb. Throw in the onions. Our crushed ginger and garlic, green chili, tomatoes, our amazing spices. Now add in the sunflower oil. We're also going to use some of the ghee later. Here with the water, using here around 2 cups. A little bit of this fresh coriander. Now cooking the lamb curry is very different to the chicken curry. Give this a really good mix. Trust me, this is one of the best lamb curry that you guys gonna try. Now turn the heat to low and you wanna let this cook for around an hour, 15 minutes, and then we're gonna check it. Leave this covered. Make sure to always keep an eye on it. You don't wanna burn anything. For our delicious boiled rice, in some water you wanna soak in the saffron. Give that a mix. The water is slightly warm. Just gonna set that aside. Now for the spices, I'm keeping it very simple. Of course, some of the cassia bark, green cardamoms, cloves, and some of the star anise. I'll also go ahead with some of the salt. Now to prep the rice in some stock, I'm going to throw in the green chilies. Here with our spices and salt. Give that a mix. And now we're going to throw in our washed rice. Now let the rice cook until they're around 80% done, and then we're going to steam it off. We're going to let the rice absorb some of that stock, and then we're going to get rid of some. Just going to slightly cover it. So the rice are almost done, but they still have a bite to it. At this point of time, we're just gonna get rid of that stock. Now the rice go back in. Now throw in your saffron all over the top. Cover with your lid, make sure it's nice and tight. And now we're gonna let this steam up for around 13 to 15 minutes on low heat. Let's check the rice now. I'm just gonna turn off the heat. Bismillah. The rice look amazing. Just gonna fluff these up. Throw in some knobs of butter, or you can add some ghee if you like. Our amazing boiled rice with saffron. Done. Again, they will go amazing with our lamb curry. Alright, so the lamb has been cooking for around an hour and 15 minutes. Let's check this. Bismillah. It's a lot steamy here. And I'm just gonna check out the lamb to ensure it's nice and tender. Let's have a bite. Bismillah. The lamb is tender, you know, it's perfectly cooked. You don't want to cook it too much so it's falling apart, so this is perfect. Now things are about to get hot in here. Throw in some of the ghee and turn up the heat around medium high now. Now you want to fry this off until the oil separates from the mixture. This should take you around 15 minutes or so. Also at this point of time, you can adjust any seasoning if you need to. I'm gonna throw in some of the salt, a bit of this coriander powder, and black pepper. It's hard to see what's going on, but it looks so delicious. You guys gonna really enjoy this lamb curry. Now this isn't a korma or karai, so don't add any yogurt. Alright, so now you can see the oil is separated from the mixture. At this point of time, I'm gonna throw in some of the water. I've added around 3 cups of water. You could add more if you like. Give that a mix. Now you want to bring this to simmer, and then you can throw some fresh coriander. It smells so better than the takeaway. You guys gonna really enjoy this lamb curry, like I said. Once you've added the coriander, turn off the heat and leave it covered. Our mouth-watering lamb curry done. One of the best lamb curry that you guys gonna try. Your mouth is gonna be absolutely watering by the end of this video.
flawless victory.
For the radish and cucumber salad in with the green chili, I've got here a whole bunch of fresh coriander, going in with some of this fresh mint sauce. Pinch of salt, touch of water if needed, cover and blend this into nice and smooth. Got here some of the cucumber, radish of course. Now if you guys want, you could remove the seeds from this cucumber, but I'm gonna leave it in there. Grab this slicer, you wanna cut long strips of it. So something like that you're looking for. And now do the same with the cucumber. Now remove the mixture into a bowl, mix in some of the yogurt, give this a really good mix and bring everything together. You can also throw in some of the lemon juice if you like. Now you can throw in your radish and cucumber. A very gentle mix to that. Just wanna lightly coat this. Trust me, it's gonna go amazing with our lamb curry. Our delicious radish and cucumber dressed in green sauce. Done. Just gonna have a little taste. Now to make our curry chips in with the butter, the heat is on medium. Let them melt. It was some of this red chili. It was some of the curry. I'm just gonna lightly saute these in with your cooked chips. Season with a touch of salt. Some of this tandoori masala. Give that a really good mix. And finally garnish it with some of this fresh coriander. Our amazing curry chips. Done. They look amazing. Alright guys, let's plate up our lamb curry. Going with our curry chips. They look amazing. Some of the cucumber and radish in our amazing green sauce. Our delicious boiled rice with some of the saffron. Also gonna serve with some of this naan bread. The recipe's on the channel. And finally with our lamb curry. Oh, it looks so irresistible. I really can't wait to try this. Trust me, one of the best lamb curry that you guys gonna try.
Fatality.
Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. It looks so delicious. First I'm gonna try those curry chips. Look at that. Bismillah. Wow, those are amazing. They have so much flavor in them. Alright, now I'm gonna try the lamb. Bismillah. Wow, so flavorful. It is so tender. Let's try the lamb along with some of the rice. Bismillah. Wow. Get some of the radish. If you guys what you ask me, you know what is one of the best dishes out there, lamb curry has to be on the list. You guys haven't tried a lamb curry like this before. Even the rice has a beautiful aroma, you know, that really complements this lamb curry dish. It's a promise, you won't find a lamb curry like this in a takeaway or a restaurant. You guys gonna really enjoy this. Can we please get this video to 5,000 likes? I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make subscribe, make sure like. Shall see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom. Make for your dad. Make for your family. Enjoy.